I'm Praveen from Adasha Control and Automation Private Limited. We are an alliance integration partner for Schneider Electric since 2010. We provide complete EcoStruxure solutions for the segments like water, wastewater, metal mining, minerals, dairy, Department of Atomic Energy and Department of Space using various Schneider Electric products and solutions. To talk about this, we had a specific problem or a solution need for one of our very prestigious customer in India who need an application where to find the code, which is the PLC code which has been generated to be tested and validated by a tool, and to find the flaws in the code which is being generated. So then we came across the Exchange platform from Schneider Electric, which is an open business platform created by Schneider Electric for not only for the Schneider Electric community but also for the other various third-party system solution providers across the globe. The Exchange platform is really a very important and an excellent tool where we can find different solutions developed by certain third-party providers. Today, almost more than 40% of the solutions which has been published in the Exchange is from the third-party solution providers, and we started searching in the Exchange platform to identify a tool which can find the flaws of the PLC code which is being generated. Then we came across Itris. So Itris, we contacted Itris through the Exchange platform, and they were very helpful for us getting the inputs from the customer as well as from us. And we also arranged a webinar on this application tool, which the customer really appreciated the values being developed and focused in the applications. And then the customer was happy, and we could easily sail through this solution to the customer, and we are really placing an order to the Itris Automation for this application tool for developing and finding the flaws in the PLC code. So Exchange platform is really a good tool where we can, it gives an opportunity for us to specify our solutions to the across the globe, and also to identify a certain application solution provider for our needs. So I really like the Exchange platform, and I recommend all the system integrators and the end user to use this platform to have a win-win situation. Thank you.